fancy, man. No bueno. No good. Got everything.
Whoa! Whoa! I'm too fast. I'm too fast.
Yo, you're not gonna say for YouTube?
You gotta do that whole video over and over.
Yeah, we out here painting. Almost done. This primed up. This already painted. Got 450 in the book.
Babe, I'm gonna be in your YouTube video.
No, I gonna cut you up.
That's not
It's all the parts. The shocks, gas tank, rebuild, everything you can do. New back wheel, front wheel, exhaust, butt kit, crankshaft.
got everything cranking this week. Okay, okay.
Ready. Good babes and cut. We got down here forgetting the triple clamp for me. Almost outside. We got that far. Had to borrow this part from my boy. New shot. Getting somewhere to reach the bike. Gotta realign these so you can put that on. And then me putting this on. It's a reach and the exhaust put on. Swap the back brake lever. Ready to go. Sound ready.